with a suite of efficient mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrain, available at 2023 model year, and a pure electric Range Rover set to join the lineup in 2024, plus a choice of 4, 5, or 7-seat interiors available across standard and long wheelbase body designs. The new Range Rover is at home in any environment. The pure electric new Range Rover will be the first in a series of all-electric Land Rover vehicles. Every nameplate will be available with pure electric propulsion by the end of the decade, helping Jaguar Land Rover achieve net zero carbon across its products, operations, and supply chain by 2039. A suite of innovative technologies contributes to the new Range Rover vehicle's peerless comfort and refinement. New third-generation active noise cancellation technology delivers one of the quietest cabins on the road. It builds on the hushed and sealed body architecture by using microphones on the outside of the vehicle and headrest speakers on the inside to create personal quiet zones for cabin occupants, much like high-end active noise cancelling headphones. The new Range Rover offers intuitive voice control with Amazon Alexa built in. 3. Using natural voice commands enables customers to manage everything from favorite infotainment features and music track selection to navigation or phone contacts, all while keeping their hands on the wheel and their eyes on the road.